Come on down. Check a few things here. Knees directly above hips. Brace your belly in tight. And the weights are just right above the shoulders, elbows nice and bent. I think we need some music to go with this. What do you guys think? Yeah? So let's recheck. Bracing, because you need this to be nice and stable. Let's start with one leg. Heel drop. Come back up. Try the other side. Now the gentlest tap of the toe. Notice this. The knee moves away from you. Yep, that's where you feel the abdominals working. Now let's try with the weights. Go extend away. Come back. It is down, down, up, up. Notice how the elbows are really close together and the legs are moving away from you. Good. Both feet down. Crunch up. Two down. Check that the weight is just at your forehead, like the grip of a baseball cap. Exhale as you lift. Bring ribs to hips. Can you feel that? Now you've got to really connect the abdominals by breathing out. Take the feet up. Back to extension. One leg and both arms. Now this is where some of us might start to feel a bit too intense. Drop your weight, but pause the DVD. It's perfectly fine. But remember, you've got to brace, you've got to control. Good. Feet down. Let's crunch up again. Up. Wait. Put the cap back on. And we crunch high. It really helps if you exhale and feel it. So that burning sensation is where you know the change is happening. Hey, who doesn't want a flatter belly? Who doesn't want six packs? Feet up. Back to extension. Arms and legs. So if you want to work a little harder, take the foot slightly further away. This is going to load more resistance. And remember, you have to pull the belly in. I think we got to crunch up one more time. Get it up. Come back down. Hey, since it's the country of Western song, maybe not a baseball cap. How about cowboy hat? Feel that? Yeehaw! While riding the wave up and down to burn some nice slim waist. And you know what? You can actually feel taller if you do that. How's that? Put the weight down. Come on, turn it